Hello, Olli.
Hello.
And nice to have you here in our interview.
Thanks for the invitation.
Could you please introduce yourself briefly?
So, Olli Nastamo, I'm heading operational excellence. That is developing our operations and way of working at Outotec, and then also currently responsible for our global supply.
Thanks. We have been discussing about digital transformation and digital supply chain. Why is that so important right now for the manufacturing companies?
Well, even in the manufacturing industry, customers expect faster service, more reliable service, on-time deliveries. Requirements are all the time increasing, and in order to be able to compete and be preferred supplier, you need to have these things in good shape, and digital is a good way to really make things move faster.
What do you think are the next big trends in digital transformation for the upcoming years?
I think the key, and there have been a lot of discussions in this flash also about that, is the transparency of the supply chain, end-to-end transparency, so that everybody can see where we are, where are the bottlenecks, and can react. And as we can understand, there are now good digital tools for that to be reality.
Good. As an experienced leader in manufacturing industry and manufacturing enterprise, what would be your recommendation for the companies that are planning their digital journey?
Well, I have experience also from auto industries, and that would be my one advice, that look beyond your own industry. There are good examples in other areas where people have done things already earlier. So you don't have to invent everything yourself.
What would be the industry to look?
Well, I think there are banking, retail, probably, and even telecommunications could be good examples.
That's familiar for our nation here in Finland.
Exactly. That would be one, and then the other is this may sound like obvious, but take the customer view and really use the modern tools like design thinking to start with the minimum viable product, really understanding what are the customers, what do they want, and build on that, rather than starting with here we have great technology, what shall we do with that? Because that will not make those products that customers love or solutions.
Customer first, yeah. Okay, thank you, Olli. It was a great pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.